Hello traders and welcome again to another daily recap. This is Thomas from FINEIGHT and let's get started. So, uh, I think I spoke too soon about breaking some plateau because yesterday put me back into the 20s, 21% for the month. And man, I can't break over like 25, 26. So let's hope remaining 2 days will help me out. And let's take a look at the trades. So first one was in DAL, and as you can see on the on the 5-minute chart here, I have placed two points of interest for me, and you will see it more clearly in the 1-hour chart here. So I could draw a really nice trend line, and the market seemed to be gapping over at least this congested area with a possible break of 25.30, and it also would mean that it was breaking over this trend line. So this was a really nice setup, and my plan was to first enter with one half and then with the second half. So I entered at 25.23 actually, which was here, with the first half lot, and I was ready to go full over this high right there. So I was curious to see if the market was strong enough to break 25.50, the half number, and would continue. It did not, so eventually I closed out just the half position, so I lost only like 0.41% on this trade, so pretty happy with the management here. What I was not happy about was trade in ICD, which was just beautiful. The stock was really extended and breakout under 9 was imminent. So with this beautiful setup right there, with the price bouncing off the 9, I was ready to go short at 8.99, but the moment I clicked send, my platform informed me kindly that I couldn't trade this security, so I was really pissed, you know. So this would have been a nice winner, really would make my day, but it is what it is, and I cannot complain. So the next two trades, one was in IVZ, and for this I will now switch to the S&P comparison. So let's delink the symbols and let's go S&P. Here we go. Oh, sorry for the 5 minutes yet. Okay. So as you can see, market upon opening, it already opened with some 2.5% down move, and it continued lower. Meanwhile, IVZ, which I intended to go short on, has shown me really good strength and rejection of the lower prices. And as the market was dropping down, IVZ was making a really nice pattern to go long over 908. So I entered at 909 and market continued lower and lower, and IVZ didn't hold up. So yeah, just regular loser here, and Oxy really pissed me off because I had a really nice breakdown formation right there. Let's switch to 2 minutes so you can see it really well. And the breakout was under this area. So I actually even waited for the break of the day's lows. So I entered at 1334 and it dropped, and really there were like thousands of waiting orders at each 10-cent range. So it struggled at 1320, then struggled really for a long time at 1310, then did a really nice fake out. My stop loss was way over there at 54, I think, or 55, and so I survived this, and then it attacked the whole number at 13 and it couldn't move it. And meanwhile the S&P reversed and Oxy just faded and was oscillating at around 13.20, 25. And yeah, I did a mistake. I did not get rid of it because I thought it would go even lower. My profit target was 12.94, 93, somewhere around that. And so yeah, I did a mistake of marrying the trade, and I couldn't exit soon enough. So that is your takeaway from my mistakes, and let's hope it goes better. See ya.